Hi, in this session I want to show you how to install the Observer for automatic failover and then to start the process. So first of all, I have my primary and my standby. In the perfect world, you'll maybe have a third server where you have your GUI or Central Console installed. Now, on my primary, I've already installed the software for the core, Dbvisit and Dbviagent. There you can see I have not installed Dbvisit Server and not the Observer. Okay, so that is primary. Then on my standby, you'll see that I've installed the standby core, Dbvisit, Dbviagent, and this is where I want my Dbvisit server or central console to run. So I've installed it here as well. Now, if you want to make use of the automatic failover feature, which came out in Dbvisit 9002, you need to install this new component called Observer. It's very easy. Let me quickly show you. So first of all, we're going to choose 1. Then we are going to choose 6 for Dbvisit Observer. And then we're going to accept the Dbvisit base. And it is as easy as that. Now you can see that we have installed it. So you can see that I've got this Observer component as well. And if we go into Observer, you can have a look at the directory. So there is all its files, directories and files, configuration and log. So the next important step is to go and start this as a background process. If you just start it like this, it will be front, so it can easily die. But we want to start it in the background by using no hub, and we're going to say /dbv observe, and then we're going to say -f, and we're going to give it, use the conf file observe.conf, and to ensure it is in the background, we're going to say ampersand. Okay, so to make 100% sure we've got it running, there you can see it. And that's how easy it is to install the Observer and to start the process.